going on, everyone? It's King Tuts Pro. Welcome back to yet another Final Cut Pro 10 tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 free transitions for Final Cut Pro 10. And this is going to be really cool because it's a pretty straightforward tutorial. And I'm just showing you guys how to use the plugins. It is for free, and so I want to show you how to do that in today's video, and you guys will absolutely love today's video. And if you guys are enjoying these tutorials, if you guys could leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below, just anything in general, you know, that will definitely help me as well as the YouTube algorithm. But before I begin with the video, I'd like to give a special thanks to Be.Live for sponsoring today's video. If you're a talented and motivated content creator on YouTube or on another platform and want to stream but can't find the right tool to do it, then Be.Live could be for you. This awesome streaming platform is great to share content online with a lot of cool features. It's very easy to set up and get started without having to download anything. All you need is a computer and a headset. Once you're ready to go, begin by selecting your source to stream live, and you can show and hide any sources you may have. Another amazing feature is the ability to add graphics and videos, such as a Final Cut Pro 10 tutorial. If you have any guests, you can add up to 4 of your favorite guests on your broadcast. You can easily switch between screen layouts to get your favorite look, and if you'd like to let your audience know when you will go live, you can create and set a timer of your choice and broadcast it all in the same window. Customize further by uploading your own overlay or logo from the window and see it live in action. And when you're ready to go live, set your preferred destination, whether it's YouTube or Facebook, and enjoy the stream. Be.Live is one of my favorite streaming sites compared to other application streams, and if you'd like to give it a try, I will leave a link down in the description. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So if you guys want to get the plugins for Final Cut Pro 10, you want to go to this link here. I'll also leave it in the description, along with the Be.Live link as well. So here are the, of course, premium downloads. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the free downloads here, of course. And so these are really cool. I've already tried them and installed them myself, and they work just fine. I'm on version Final Cut Pro 10 10.5.1 in case you guys are wondering. And so it's going to be the glitch one, which is new here, the bubble. And then the other one is going to be go spin zoom. Again, I do want to give a big special thanks to DBV for these amazing plugins. All right, so to install the actual plugins, it's really easy. But once you download the 3 files, they're going to be in a zip file. So you're going to have the spin zoom, bubble transition, and the glitch file here. All you got to do is just double click this to unzip them. And they're going to be in the folders like this. All you got to do is just highlight all of these. And what we're going to do first is go into our home folder. We're going to go into the movies folder, which is right here. We're going to go into the motion templates folder. If you don't have one, just create one. And then all you got to do is just right click and go to get info. And then just type in .localized under name and extension. And once you do that, open up the folder. You should have 3 different folders. One for transitions, one for effects, and one for titles. Same process as the motion templates. If you don't have one, just create them and just type in .localized. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up the transitions folder. All you got to do is highlight all of these and just drag them into the transitions folder. And once you're there, you should be good to go. So I have some footage here that I want to add some transitions. It's really simple. It's a very quick and easy way of doing it. So if I push play, it's going to look just like this. So the video looks great. I think we can make it a little bit more interesting. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into the transitions right over here. And you should have one that's named custom, which is the bubble actual transition. This is my favorite one. So all you have to do is just drag this above your media in between 2 clips. If this piece here is red, you're going to have to just drag it inwards a little bit. Just so that there's enough space, enough frames to create a transition. Then you just click and drag this onto your media like that. And if I go back and push play, it looks just like that, and it's super cool. And the cool thing about this is you can actually, go in, select the transition. And if you open up the inspector tab for each transition, they're going to have similar settings, similar, but they're going to be different. And you can change this from distortion settings. Yeah, you can do this one here, which is pretty cool. And you can just drag it here. And if I push play, looks just like that. You can change the rotation of this. So if I select the transition again and I select the rotation, I can of course adjust this however I want, and it looks just like that. And another cool one that I want to do is just in between these 2 clips. So about right about here, I'm gonna press Command B, and I'm gonna go into the glitch transition this time, and I'm just click and drag here. And if I go back and push play, it looks just like that. Super neat, very quick and simple. And you can, again, just adjust the settings here by going into the exposure tab. And you can adjust the shake if you want and go back and push play. Looks just like that. So we can change this here. We can make it brighter. We can adjust the color of this. That's going to be the glitch transition. And if we go down a little bit more, we're going to see spin transition here, or spin zoom. And this one's cool too. So if I delete probably this one and I do spin zoom in and I go back and push play, it looks just like that. It's a very simple zoom, kind of like a spinning effect. So if I go here in between the transition, you can have it flip. And if I push play, it'll flip the other way, and we can change the blur amount so we can really have this really intense. And if I go back and push play, looks just like that, very quick. And then the other one is spin zoom out. Same thing, it's just the opposite, as you can see. Super neat, very straightforward. So I just wanted to share these with you guys because I thought they were really interesting and really cool and worth a video, definitely worth a video on this. Yeah, so if you guys found this tutorial to be helpful and relatively simple, please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. Peace out.